Welcome to the safari land. Come and clap your little hands. Meet the animals one by one. Let's learn their sounds, it's so much fun. The zebra on safari says, Whinny, Whinny, Whinny. The crocodile on safari says, Snap, snap, snap. The giraffe on safari says, Hum, hum, hum. The lion on safari says, Roar, roar, roar. Whinny, snap, hum, and roar. So many sounds to explore. The elephant on safari says, Trumpet, trumpet, trumpet. The hippo on safari says, Splash, splash, splash. The hyena on safari says, Laugh, laugh, laugh. The flamingo on safari says, Honk, honk, honk. The little bird on safari says, Tweet, tweet, tweet. Trumpet, splash, laugh, and tweet. These safari sounds are sweet. The meerkat on safari says, Chirp, chirp, chirp. The rhino on safari says, Snort, snort, snort. The monkey on safari says, Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Chirp, snort, and monkey calls. Let's go deeper past the tall